Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. We are here in the woods, you feel what I'm saying? In today's video, we're going to be diagnosing the Civic. I had someone comment on the last video asking what the issue was of why my car was stuttering like that. And I told them what I thought it was, so now we're going to see in this video if that's actually the case. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys keep supporting and showing love like this, we can get enough subscribers and views to fund the channel and start seeing even crazier shit. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, as you guys seen in the last video, we unboxed the engine and everything. So we still need to get engine internals for the head. So I'm not gonna build it yet because it's like daddy's money. I don't got no credit card, nothing. I'm literally saving up and spending my shit, whatever. So basically right now we're gonna see if we can fix that clogging issue. I seen someone down in the comments on my last video that asked that they knew what the problem was, and I told them what I thought it was. So now I'm gonna see if I can fix it because we have at least a month or so, or even faster, who knows, until we're gonna have this car already and everything swapped out. So I wanna at least be able to drive it if I can. So as you can see down below, we're swapping out the cat back to a catless one. This isn't from the PRL turbo kit. I had a catless one before I had the kit, so we're gonna throw this on. This is an RV6. And then we also have my intercooler on there because I stated in the last video as well that I thought that it was my charge pipes and intercooler that was clogging up as well, because I feel like I had that issue in the past. So we're gonna find out in today's video. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's continue. And I know my shirt's small as hell, but I woke up out of bed just motivated to do this shit. So get off my dick. Shit's been pissing me off, but I still can't get this off. I'm not sure if I said that in the last clip, but I'm having trouble taking this off. But we have everything else switched out, charge pipes, and we have the downpipe on. I just have to connect the stuff down below on the downpipe and put the bumper back on, and then we should be all set. So let's see what we got here. Before we continue on with this video, I just want to take a second to thank our sponsors. We don't have any fucking sponsors because y'all don't subscribe. Subscribe to my shit, bitch. All right, without further ado, let's get back into the video. All right. Yeah, so we just have to connect these. Oh, I didn't think that through. Everything's on, so I mean, I'm getting the front pipe anyway, y'all, so don't do this at home, because realistically we're not pushing 450 horsepower, whatever we end up through this little ass. So come on, shit is all right. Now we just need to guide it in. There we go. Let's see what size we have here. Should be a 14. Harbor Freight for the win. There you go. Strong ass bitch. Oh, you know what? Forgot the friggin' gasket, bro. Let's hope this shit, well, it's probably gonna, you know what, let's just see. You know what? Unfortunate series of events, but I'm trying to get the hell out of here. So everything should be all set over here. We have everything connected. I was gonna put the intake in, but I forgot my computer at home and that's erase math, so it's not gonna run right if I do it like that. So just want to make sure everything's in correctly. I'll give her a first start. The downpipe sensor isn't plugged in, but you guys know we can disable that when I tune it, so we should be fine. Let's see what she does. Probably gonna have crazy exhaust leak, but let's hope she can breathe better. These charge pipes and downpipe. Terrible. Now it's even more undaily drivable. Well, we're in defeat.
You gotta restart.
At least we know it's not that. We could check the spark plugs again and see if they're gapped right, but I had my buddy fix it at the time because I didn't feel like working on it. He did say that they were gapped already, so I don't know. Alright guys, so it's maybe a week later. So I did say that I replaced the spark plugs, and I did, but where is it? I just checked cylinder 3, and you guys look here. Spark plug looks fine, but if you look closer you can see that it's literally cracked on this little white part right here. Just not normal. You can see it right there a tiny bit. So I'm just gonna check the other spark plugs, see how those are looking, see if I'm gonna get all 4 new ones. I probably am, but I think we found our issue. As you guys can see here too, the gap is a lot bigger in bank 3, cylinder 3, which is on the right, than cylinder 2 over here. But seems like bank 3 is just left the chat and has a crack in it. And you see how this one's fine. I'm still gonna replace all 4, but I think we found our culprit. All right guys, so we got some more spark plugs. We stopped at Advanced Auto Parts, so we're gonna see if this fixes the problem. I'm gonna swap these out real quick and see how everything's going. All right, so I changed all 4 of them. It's time to see if this actually was the issue after all. Wow. Don't even tell me that. Well, you know what? Nah, I'm happy if that's the issue, because that's simple, but don't tell me it was only that the whole time. I mean, it don't matter either way because we need a brand new set for that built engine, but we might be in business. All right guys, so after all, spark plugs was the problem. The car's running fine. Obviously it sounds like a lawnmower because we have no O2 sensor in, so it's just shooting out of the downpipe, and we didn't put the gasket in. But the car's running mint. Like, not a single misfire. I didn't even have to gap them either because OEM. I checked them and they're like at 0.27 or 0.28, which is fine for what I have right now. So, but yeah, the car's running mint. All right, y'all. The lawnmower is back in business. Feel what I'm saying? Back in business. Stock intake. Exhaust sounding nice. Feel what I'm saying? Lawnmower running, exhaust sounding nice. Shop, but we're gonna go back to my house because I just went strawberry picking with Shorty, so we're gonna get the strawberries off the whip. But Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Car's up and running, tuned up, looking nice. We are at the shop right now. Here we got Omar's beast of a car over there. But yeah, I'm gonna end this, guys. I'm gonna end this video off today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we out.